Welcome everyone. Through this video, today I'll discuss an important topics of calculus, that is limit. In every competitive examination, in JEE Main, in Wbjee, you must get one problem from this chapter. In JEE Main, you get one problem, and in Wbjee, you get at least two problems. So, I will discuss today how to find value of limit in of competitive examination in very few seconds. So today, through this class, I will discuss evaluation of limit of the form 1 to the power infinity. Evaluation of limit of the form 1 to the power infinity. If limit x tends to a, fx equals to 1 and limit x tends to a, gx equals to infinity, then limit x tends to a, fx whole to the power gx. So this is 1, this is infinity. 1 to the power infinity equals to e to the power limit x tends to a, fx minus 1 into gx. So this is our theory. Otherwise, you have to take, if it is function, power is also function, you have to take log on both sides and it will take time. So, evaluation of limit of the form 1 to the power infinity. Now look, problem number 3. Limit x tends to 0, tan pi by 4 plus x whole to the power 1 by x. So this is fx. So if x equals to 0, this is tan pi by 4, this is 1. So it is of the form 1 to the power infinity. Now it is equivalent to, by the previous theorem, limit x tends to 0, tan pi by 4 minus x. This is fx minus 1. Now what is gx? Gx is 1 by x. Now this is limit x tends to 0. So 1 plus tan x, 1 minus tan x, minus 1 into 1 by x. Now this is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 minus tan x into x. This is 1 plus tan x minus 1 plus tan x. So this is 2 tan x. 2 tan x. Limit x tends to 0. Now next step, this is limit x tends to 0. So tan x by x, this is 1, and limit x tends to 0, e to the power, obviously e to the power, limit x tends to 0, 2 by 1 minus tan x. Now this is 1, and if we put x equals to 0, this is 2 by 1 minus 0. So value is e to the power 2. So what is value of the limit? Value of the limit is e to the power 2. So it is of the form 1 to the power infinity. So we use this one. So for competitive exam, you have to use this theory. This is not included in our board syllabus. Now look, problem number 2. So exactly same problem. They are of same type. Limit x tends to infinity. 1 plus a by x minus 4 by x squared to the power 2x equals to e cube. Then a equals. Look, if x is infinity, so this is fx. Fx is 1 because this part is 0, so 1 to the power infinity. So this implies by the previous theory e to the power limit x tends to 0. 1 plus a by x minus 4 by x square minus 1 into 2x equals to what? E cube. This implies e to the power limit x tends to 0. So 1 cancel. So if we multiply it by 2x, so this is 2a, x cancel, minus 8 by x equals to e cube. Now as x tends to infinity, this is infinity. So this limit is, this is independent of x, so 2a, and this is 0, e cube. So 2a equals to 3. So what is a? A is 3 by 2. A is 3 by 2. So what is value of a? A is 3 by 2. This is also problem of JEE Main. Now problem number 1. So x tends to 0 plus. Why 0 plus? Because for 0 minus this is not defined. So if x is 0 plus, this is 1, this is infinity. So what is p? This is 1 to the power infinity. So same theory. So this equals to, so p equals to e to the power limit x tends to 0. So fx minus 1, so tan square root x into 1 by 2x. This is fx. So p equals to e to the power limit x tends to 0 tan square root x by 2x. So 0 by 0 form. This is 0 by 0 form. So we can use L hospital or we can use standard limit. We can write it tan root x by root x into tan root x by root x and half. So as x tends to 0, this is 1, this is 1. So p equals to e to the power half. This is 1, this one also 1. This is problem of competitive examination. So no need of taking here x tends to 0, x tends to 0. So what is log p? Log p equals to half. So what is log p? Log p is half. So look, if you use this theory, then this type of problems are very, very simple. Now consider problem number 4. If R to R, real number to real number be a function such that f13, f-16, then limit x tends to 0, f1 plus x by f1 whole to the power 1 by x. So these are the 4 options. So this is problem of JEE Main. So look, if we put x equals to 0, f1 by f1, this is 1 to the power infinity. So this is of the form 1 to the power infinity. So after this step, this equals to e to the power limit x tends to 0, f1 plus x by f1 minus 1 whole to the power 1 by x. So fx minus 1 by this. Now e to the power limit extends to 0. So f1 into x, f1 plus x minus f1. Now if x equals to 0, this is 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. So we can use L'Hospital rule. So derivative of this f dash 1 plus x and derivative of 1 plus x is 1, f1 is constant. So this is f1 into 1. Now if we put x equals to 0, then we get, this is not undefined, f dash 1 by f1. So what is f dash 1? F dash 1 is 6. And what is f1? f1 is 3. So value is e square. So it will take very few seconds. So this is e square. When you solve it, then it will take minimum time. I am explaining the fact, that is why it will take some time. Now problem number 15. So same problem, 100% same problem. A to the power x, b to the power x, c to the power x, x 0, so 1, 1, 1, 1 to the power infinity. So by previous theory, limit x tends to 0. A to the power x plus b to the power x plus c to the power x by 3 minus 1 into 1 by x. So limit x tends to 0. This is 3x, a to the power x, b to the power x, c to the power x minus 3. So now it is of the form 0 by 0. So we can use L'Hospital rule. Derivative of numerator, a to the power x log a, b to the power x log b, c to the power x log c by 3. Now if we put x equals to 0, then e to the power log a log b, or this one is 2 by x, sorry, this is 2 by x. So it will be 2 by x. This is multiplied by 2. So this is multiplied by 2. So log c, and at the beginning 2 by 3. So e to the power 2 by 3 log abc. So e to the power log abc whole to the power 2 by 3. So by property of log. Now what is base? Base is e. So e to the power log x is x. So answer is abc whole to the power 2 by 3. So answer abc whole to the power 2 by 3. Now consider problem number 13. Problem number 13. So sin x by x, it is 1. And this is sin x by x minus sin x. So if we divide by x, so what we are getting? Sin x. This is sin x by x, and this is 1 minus sin x by x. So x tends to 0, see 1, 1 minus 0. So 1 by 0. This is 1 by 0, that is infinity. So it is of the form 1 to the power infinity. So it is equivalent to e to the power limit x tends to 0 fx minus 1 into gx sin x by x minus sin x. So limit e to the power limit x tends to 0 sin x minus x by x sin x by x minus sin x. So e to the power limit x tends to 0. So this is x minus sin x, so minus sin x by x. So e to the power minus 1. Sin x by x is 1. So e to the power minus 1. So through this video, I have discussed how to find limit of the form e to the power 1 to the power infinity. So if we use this theory, then we can solve this type of problem in very minimum time. So you practice rest of the problem. So thank you.